Now this illustration shows and illustrates the same size conductors and the other items that are present that have to be counted to size the box. In accordance with 314.16B1 through B5 is in boy, and using the table 314.16A that's used for same size conductors. Now, notice the problem is asking a question. What size octagon box is required to support a luminaire with a canopy equipped with two 12-2 AWG with ground, non-metallic sheath cable, called in the industry a Romex or a Romp, again, depending on what part of the country you're from, with a luminaire, stud hickey, and 4 number 18 AWG fixture wires, plus our equipment grounds. Now, we just did the count. Now, let's take the count that we did in the previous illustration and start applying it in the step 1 in the calculation based upon the question of the problem. Now, counting conductors, section 314.6B1 through B5, conductor field. 2 number 12 hot ungrounded conductors, 2. 2 number 12 neutral conductors, 2. Equipment ground field, 2 number 12s, 1. These support fittings that we've talked about previously, 1 luminaire stud, 1. 1 hickey, 1. The fixture field, if we look at 3 or 4 number 18 fixture wires, and basically you have 4, but you have 3 AWG fixture wires plus your equipment ground. And since we only have 4 or less equipment grounds, everything's 0. So we come up with a total then, when you add them up, of 7 conductors. So everything is based on number 12. So we have 7 number 12 conductors, and to select the box to house 7 number 12s, we would reference our table 314.6A, and we would need a 4-inch by 2 1/8 inch box, octagon box, to support those 7 conductors. And that's what the illustration answer is. A 4-inch by 2 1/2 inch octagon box is required, and that's what our figure 12-9B is illustrating after we count everything that was in the box from the previous illustration.